Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see YouTube Shorts upload time. Ever wondered when a YouTube Shorts video was uploaded? In this video, I'll show you how to check the exact upload date and time on both mobile and desktop. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Android device, but if you're using a desktop, I'll tell you the instructions to see the upload time. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to open the YouTube Shorts video, and to do that, just open the YouTube app on your device, or if you're using a desktop, just go to your web browser and type in youtube.com. After that, use your account's credentials to log into your YouTube account. Now, as you can see, this is my YouTube app. Now on mobile, tap the video title to expand the description. We're gonna choose this one right here. I'm gonna choose a YouTube Shorts, and to choose a YouTube Shorts, I'm gonna click on the Shorts section right here. If you see in the bottom, there's Home and there's Shorts. I'm gonna click on Shorts. Now here, you'll see on mobile, tap the video title to expand the let's see here. Let's click on it. I look good blonde. It's terrible. Good blonde. I'm gonna click on the comments. Now you can now in the YouTube app you can't exactly view the upload time. But if you click on the comments, you may see a comment written by the person who uploaded the video, as you can see here, and you can view how much time it has been uploaded. Like this video has been uploaded 2 months ago. Now on desktop, just scroll down to the video description where the upload date is listed. And for the third step is to find the exact upload time. And this is an advanced method. And to do that, just open YouTube on a desktop browser. And after that, right click on the video and select View Page Source. After that, press Ctrl plus F or Command plus F if you're using Mac, and search for upload date. And you'll see a timestamp in the regular format, which shows you the exact upload time in UTC. YouTube shows only the upload date in most places, but the page source method reveals the exact hour and minutes. And you can also use tools like YouTube Data Viewer for a quick access to upload details. And now you can find the exact upload time of any YouTube Shorts video. If you like this video and find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.